Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. Today I'm sharing a Spellbinders adjustable Shadowbox frame tutorial with you. This Spellbinders adjustable frame has a 3/4 of an inch border, and it was designed by Spellbinders licensed designer Becca Feeken. I'll leave you with a supply list with links and a link to my blog in the area underneath this video. Enjoy the tutorial. So my tutorial for today is going to be on how to use or how to die cut the box frame with the Spellbinders adjustable shadow box frame that is 3/4 of an inch border, which is basically this border that you see here. Now, the beauty about this frame is that the height is adjustable, and for my purposes, I'm going to be making a 5-inch frame. Now, the beauty about this adjustable frame is that you can do it just like so as a picture frame, or you can create a shaker card in a box, or you can make this frame the front of your card or mini album or anything that you would like to create. So what I've done here is just a stamped sentiment inside this boxed frame, and for the easel all I did was I took some cardstock. This is the heavy duty cardstock. It's a little bit heavier than your regular cardstock, and I just scored it. I believe this is 3/4 of an inch, and I glued it to the back, and it serves as an easel, so it can sit just like so in my bookshelf, and it's very pretty to look at. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Now I have already done the two sides using this shape right along here. You are going to get to, and I'm going to show you how you position your dies. It is so super easy. Please do not be intimidated. So these are my sides. I have already glued them together, and what like I said, I'm going to be doing a 5x5 frame. So the first thing that I've done is I took my piece of cardstock, okay, and I have trimmed it to 5 inches. Now, because of the width of the cardstock, I do believe that I'm able to do 2 of these right along here. Let me see where I would need to trim. Yes, I need to trim my cardstock right along there. So with a pen, let me just go ahead and mark it. Put a little notch where I need to trim my paper. That's going to be like right along there, okay? So here we go. Let's go ahead and break out the paper trimmer. And it's going to go right there. Okay, there we go. Okay. So notice how all I did was a notch there. I just pretty much I measured it. This part right here, I'm not that concerned with just yet. My concern right now is with these two parts right here. From here to here, we have 5 inches. So the next step that I'm going to take is I'm going to take my 2 dies, alrighty, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to position them right along there, alrighty. So I'm going to put it all the way to the edge, like so, and with my handy dandy washi, I'm just going to kind of like ensure that this stays down, just like so, okay. And that is one. Then I'm going to turn this piece over, and I'm going to do the same exact thing over here. This is etched up all the way to here, so that's what I want to do. and I want to edge this up just like so, and take some of my washi. I'm taking some of the sticky part out because I don't want it to rip my paper or my cardstock when I remove the washi. So I allow some of the oils from my skin to be embedded in the washi. So here we go, and just like that. And now we are going to run this through our Spellbinders Platinum. And let's go ahead and remove the dies and see what we have. Okay, so we have something like this. Let me put these to the side because I will be using them again for the bottom portion of our frame. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put these to my paper trimmer. And I'm going to be trimming off this piece right along here and this piece right along here. Okay, so now this is what we wind up with. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to use my scoring board, and we're going to do a little bit of scoring. Now the notches or the score marks are going to be there for you here and here, and I don't think they're visible to you, but they are visible to me. They're going to be here as well, here and here. Okay, and basically what we're going to do is we are going to match these score lines here and here to our scoring board, and we are just going to follow through. Now, you may be asking, why is it that we have to do this? Don't forget, this is an adjustable frame. So, of course, it's not going to have the score lines all the way through because they don't know what size of frame you would like to create. So, let me move it a little bit over here. Okay, there we go. And there's the other ones. Okay. There's one. And here's the other one. Okay, so now perhaps you'll be able to see my score marks right along there. And the next thing that we're going to do is we are just going to fold right along our score marks. Oh yes, and these have already been scored for you, so we are able to move them like so. Okay, these two parts right here. Excuse me. So here we go, and here we go. And if you wish, you could use your bone folder so that way your lines are sharper or crispier. Crisp lines. Okay. So basically how you're going to do this is you're going to build your frame end just like so. You're just going to glue this piece together like so. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll just take a little bit of glue. First we'll take care of the ends. And that's one. That's all there's to it. Do this here. Okay. And here's the other. Just like so. Alrighty. And now we are going to take this piece right here, and what I'm going to do is, see, And this is in all the legs or the sides. You're going to get a thin one and a wider one. And how I'm doing this is I'm putting the wider one over the thin one, just like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Just like that. Like that. And just like that. We need to make sure that we square everything out and that our ends match. It's looking good. Okay, and what I like to do is I like to turn this around, and with my bone folder I kind of like press on here just to ensure that the glue takes. And this is basically it. This is going to be a top piece, and these are going to be my side pieces. See how easy it is? And now I have to build my bottom piece. So let me go ahead and do that right now. And that's pretty much it, friends. The Spellbinders adjustable shadow box frame dies are so super easy to use, and as you saw, the frame is easy to put together. So don't let it intimidate you. I will see you once again on the next video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, a nice comment is appreciated, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And while I'm talking about subscribers, howdy to all of my new subscribers, okay? I will see you again real soon. Bye now.